Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
The costs of cryptographic forms of money are driven by many variables, including media publicity, reception rate, legitimate, criminal operations, and organic market. This large number of elements make leading a specialist examination of digital money essential in the present market. Brise is another task in the cryptographic money world that has acquired prominence in light of turning into a top player in the industry potential. In this video, you'll learn everything about the leap forward of the year. We'll cover the Bitgert Ventures subtleties, track down the solutions to the most well-known questions, and notice some Brise cost forecasts. What is Bitgert Brise? This year, Bitgert is among the most interesting cryptographic money projects. Bitgert is based on the Binance blockchain. It publicizes itself as a marking stage in the decentralized trade, DEX. In spring 2022, the Brise wallet was coordinated into the Bitgert chain, empowering clients to send, get, purchase, and sell BRC20 tokens. The Brise crypto is the local badge of Bitgert. The token was sent off on July 6, 2021, close by the undertaking's true site. Bitgert sent off its hotly anticipated blockchain in February 2022. The block season of Brise chain, a proof of authority, POA, agreement framework, is 15 seconds. POA blockchains are believed to be entirely adaptable, yet it doesn't reduce analysis over them for being exceptionally incorporated. The Bitgert network was advertised as the first blockchain convention with zero exchange charges, yet it has not completely followed through on its commitments, causing debates in the crypto space. Since the day of its send-off, there have been numerous de-app discharges on Bitgert convention, from non-fungible token, NFT, commercial senders to decentralized finance, DeFi, conventions. The Bitgert environment truly extended in the principal year of its presence, and it's supposed to give no indications of pausing and go on with its development henceforward. There are various unanswered inquiries regarding the Bitgert project, for example, who makes up its staff, how dependable its blockchain is, and the way that it utilizes promoting. Bitgert's standing is discolored on the internet. In view of the absence of great first individual data, the task is encircled by a ton of hypotheses and bits of gossip. Its appearance led to an enormous number of reports. The crypto local area focused on the dubious closeness of this picture with the consequences of AI-based photograph generators. That multitude of conversations prompted the expulsion of the photograph from the authority site. The administration credited this to a craving to save privacy. The sketchy promoting strategies utilized by the task group are dubious too. In this way, a few sites were seen participating in the forceful advancement of the coin. They composed a lot of articles about Bitgert, referencing the undertaking just in a positive way, as well as putting the youthful task on a standard with currently fruitful and demonstrated cryptographic forms of money like ADA, SPELL, and so forth. Bitgert price analysis. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Bitgert is $0.0000008 and Brise is right now positioned 2,777 in the whole crypto-biological system. The flow supply of Bitgert is 0 Brise with a market cap of $0. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been expanded by $0.000000026 in its ongoing worth. From most recent 7 days the Brise was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 12.32%. Bitgert has shown areas of strength for extremely recently and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Brise has expanded by 108.67%, adding to the worth a titanic typical sum $0.0000009 to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can now turn into a decent resource on the off chance that it keeps on developing. Bitgert Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Bitgert costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Bitgert will be $0.000000045. The most extreme level that the brise cost can reach is $0.0000050. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.0000047. Brise price forecast for August 2022. In view of the value variances of Bitgert toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical brise pace of $0.0000041 in August 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.0000037 and at $0.0000043, separately. September 2022, Bitgert price forecast. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the brise cost in September 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.0000041, while the greatest could reach $0.0000044 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Bitgert may be around $0.0000043. Brise price forecast for October 2022. Crypto experts have actually looked at the value vacillations of Bitgert in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal brise rate they foresee may be around $0.0000044 in October 2022. It can drop to $0.0000042 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.0000046. November 2022, Bitgert price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the brise cost will be exchanged at $0.0000045 by and large. November 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Bitgert worth to $0.0000048. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $0.0000043 in November 2022. Brise price forecast for December 2022. Crypto specialists have examined Bitgert costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to December 2022, $0.0000047. The least and pinnacle brise rates may be $0.0000000